what is up everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm on the shoot again here in Marina Bay. And right here we got a Ferrari F8 Tributo. Sheesh. So today I'm here once again here in Marina Bay. Let's go into it's at the Gardens by the Bay at that side. Okay, so I hope you guys can hear me. Right now we are walking towards Garden by the Bay. It's a weekend, so I think there's gonna be a lot of people. It's very sunny today. Sheesh. So let's hope to shoot some sunset. Oh, we can try one shot here. Super bright. Let's see. Okay. Stand back a bit. Through the tree. Okay. Okay. Man, I tell you, the hotel smell here is insane. Even though it's like a big place here, but wow, the hotel smell is strong. And right here we got a weird sculpture. Let's see the view. Okay. Which way? Okay. So there is a transformer somewhere there. I'm just gonna try to find it. Let's see, can we take one here? Okay. Oh. Oh, let's focus on that one. Can I focus? Oh yeah, cannot. Okay. You'll be surprised by how many greens are there here in Singapore. Like, it's a very developed place, but there are so many greens. So right in front of me is the Garden by the Bay. So I will just show you guys walking around. Right there. Let's see, we got the sun behind. Okay. So I don't have like a wide angle. But there is basically Marina Bay. Okay, let's go down. Flower Dome, Cloud Forest. Yes, it's this side. There's a bus coming. So we got a red bus. Let's wait for the bus to pass. Okay, let's go. Alright, okay. It's very windy. Hope you can hear me. So let's take one picture of that Ferris wheel. I forgot what it's called. Let's see. With the fountain. Okay. So once again, guys, this is Singapore. Like I'm really surprised by how many greens are there. And then right here is Garden by the Bay. It's like jungle. It's amazing. Okay, we got two Japanese. Let's take a picture of this. And I'm still new in this street photography, so bear with me. And this garden is huge. A lot of people. So right here we got the dome or something, but you need to pay to go in, which I'm not gonna do that now because I need to save money. Maybe in the future. So now I'm just gonna walk. But inside there is so beautiful. Oh, maybe one day I can go in. This is sick. Wow. Oh, here is beautiful. Okay. So it's my first time walking around here, and it's a lot of people. Satay by the Bay. Wow. Oh, we got children's garden. Sunny. Okay, let's take one of this. Okay, so right now we at this cloud forest, like a main tree. Let's see what can we take.
So when you came, when you have started you're right. Actually, these trees came on first, and then the
Okay. Alright, there. Okay. Okay, I think this one is beautiful, like the silhouette a bit with Marina Bay behind. Right. Sad though.
来了，大家。他还没有学会啊呀，教他会啊。
Okay, let's wait for people to walk. Okay. Very beautiful. I mean, if you guys got a chance to come here, you need to come here. At least see it by yourself. Now I'm trying to find where is the transformer. I'm not sure where is it. Oh, this view here is nice. We got the cloud forest and the behind there. Let's take one, this one. Okay, this place is huge. I feel like I'm getting lost out here. I'm gonna go to the other side. Okay. Okay, I'm really not sure where I'm walking to, but this is weird. Okay, this is weird and scary. What is this? I gotta show my girlfriend. Okay, I really don't know where is the transformer.
2,000 years later.
Yeah, I found the transformer. But there's a lot of people now. Okay, let's see.
is it arugula or bean cow? Is it the wet cow?
Okay, so that is basically it. I finally found the transformer, but I couldn't talk because there's too many people. So now it's sunset time. I'm just gonna walk and see. Now we got a nice sunset behind there. There's the tree. Okay guys, so that is all for my video. That is my POV. I'm not sure how it's gonna turn out because it's like all over the place, and I managed to find the transformer. Does that the transformer there is like a lot of people as usual for tourist spot. So once again, I'm here in Marina Bay, so make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for me. I hope to do more POV videos for you guys to watch. Okay, so that is all. Thank you for watching.